mother's love for her child is special and unique. Even before Kyle was born, I loved him and knew that I always wanted the best for him. I wanted Kyle to have everything in life. I wanted Kyle to always be surrounded by those who love him. And I hope one day he would find somebody to love him just as much. I am so happy he met Andrea. Not only is she beautiful, she brings out the best in Kyle. And she makes him happy. And I think he makes her happy too.
My sister is the most self-sacrificing, protective, and loyal person I've ever met in my life. Kyle, you have a true partner in my sister. She will be your best friend, your confidant, your biggest supporter, and an absolutely amazing wife. She will stop at nothing to make you happy, at absolutely nothing. Kyle, I couldn't have picked a more perfect partner for my sister than you. You're hardworking, dedicated, and exceptionally grounded. Andrea and Kyle truly bring out the best in each other. Their relationship is built on a friendship with an unwavering commitment to love and respect each other.
I hear her.
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, babe. You're so pretty. Oh my god.
I'm glad you think so.
Oh my god. You're great. This is very just elegant. Like, perfect you. Look at that.
You have known each other from first glance of acquaintance to this point of commitment. At some point, you decided to marry. From that moment of yes to this moment of yes, you have been making promises and agreements in an informal way. All these conversations that were held riding in a car or over a meal or during long walks, all those sentences that began with, when we're married, and continued with, I will, and you will, and we will. Those late night talks that included someday, and somehow, and maybe, and all those promises that are unspoken matters of the heart. All these common things and more are the real process of a wedding.
So the song is 1 minute and like 30 seconds.
Now you shall say a few words that take you across the threshold of life. These things will never quite be the same between you. For after these vows you shall say to the world, this is my husband, and this is my wife.
I take you as you are, loving who you are. I promise from this day forward to be grateful for our love and our life, to be generous with my time, my energy, and my affection.
To be patient with you and myself, to fill our life with adventure and our home with laughter, inspire you to grow as an individual, to love you completely.
These things I pledge to you.
Like a rose in a riverbed. He's that kind of friend you're lucky to find. I've always admired Kyle since the day I met him. He's the type of guy that when he's passionate about something or has dreams, he follows through. Everything this man puts his mind to, he accomplishes. He's always been a great friend, even more so a brother. If he loves Andrea half as much as I know he loves me, they're gonna have a long and happy life together.